This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eric Rose. View this desirable Thornbrooke 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, that shows like a model home. This home upgrades include new gutters, bamboo stairs, new backsplash in kitchen and island. As you enter the home, you walk into a spacious flex room that features high expansive ceilings, making it great for entertaining. Just beyond is the dining area, which has a great view of the back lanai showcasing the fenced-in backyard. The kitchen has dark wood cabinets, stainless appliances, granite counters, and opens to a spacious living room with sliding glass doors. Second floor master bedroom, with an oversized walk-in closet, is separated from the other 3 bedrooms by a loft area that makes a nice space for an intimate office or reading area. Perfect location, close to I-4 and FL 417, restaurants and shopping. For more information, review the details below.